Welcome to Creative Dose. As the trend for the development and use of drones is on the rise, so is the diversity of commercial use of drones, which accordingly has two primary uses for civilian purposes. One being the use of drones for the gain of material gain, that is, for business purposes, while the other is the simple recreation and hobby of certain sympathizers and said technology. Investing in the drone technology for personal gain is nowadays an increasingly common activity, as evidenced by some statistics on a global scale. We should talk about the 10 ways drones will be used in the future. They are just a concept and give us a glance at how the future drones technologies will look. So let's get started. Number 1. Drone Lighting Show. Advances in the field of drone programming for the purpose of coordinated autonomous flights, where each drone doesn't necessarily communicate with another drone, but is independently programmed for certain maneuvers. Intel states that in 2016 experiment, a coordinated flight of over 500 warps was achieved in the independent routes and without communication between the drones themselves, which was then the Guinness World Record. Unlike the standard rocket and disposable fireworks so far, the system can be used repeatedly in an almost unlimited number of combination of designs and with infinitely fewer resources of consumed considering the possibility of reusing such systems. Number 2. Surveillance drones. The future use of drones will certainly be used for surveillance and communication. The military has been using drones for surveillance for quite some time. Police are already using drones to give them a better view of traffic, streets, and advantages in capturing fugitives. This drone is technically a quadcopter, and it can fly around 11 minutes per charge. It's built out of carbon fiber and has a typical DJI light controller. What is expected in the near future is that drones have the ability to recognize faces, thus facilitating the identification of people and criminals. A lot of its startup will compete in a global market for commercial applications of drone technology, including this one for surveillance that is valued at $127 billion. Number 3. Agriculture Industry. Agri-drones can be used to spray chemicals as they have reservoirs, which can be filled with fertilizers and pesticides for spraying on crops in very little time. As compared to traditional methods, this drone technology can usher in a new era for precision agriculture. Using a variety of sensors, the drones calculate the distance and adjust their height according to the topography of the ground to then scan the soil and disperse the required amount of fluid. The result is increased efficiency with reduced use of soil-polluting chemicals. The current trend is that drones are becoming an inevitable tool in the treatment of crops, and such as a tool still has room for progress and development in the future. Number 4. Drone Transportation by Uber. The company that is one of the leaders in the world of Uber trucking has partnered with NASA and the Slovenian company Pipistrel to realize an ambitious and innovative flying taxi project called Uber Air. The project is designed to provide a safe and efficient air transportation system for passengers using drones across crowded settlements and cities. The project was unveiled at the 2018 Elevate Summit in Los Angeles, where a development plan was presented by Uber. Dallas, where it is working promptly with national authorities to implement the Uber Air project, which should have official use in 2023. Aircraft should be able to reach speeds of 240 km per hour to 320 km per hour, while their maximum ranges would be 100 km. Number 5. Drone Delivery Business. With the rapid rise of drone technology, the size of the global drone package delivery market is estimated to reach $80 billion by 2027. At a significant CAGR of 41.8%. Gartner predicts that in 2026, more than 1 million drones will be carrying out retail deliveries, up to 20,000 today. Amazon's plan is to deliver packages within 30 minutes via their Prime Air delivery option, which would overrate current 2-day delivery option. There is definitely a future in shipping parcels around the world using drones. but not as fast as we thought, mainly due to the many regulations and laws and the acceptance by humans as consumers of such a delivery operation. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.